Drop a few cloves into your toilet bowl, and even your neighbors will start asking how your home smells so incredibly fresh. Stop wasting your money on expensive store-bought air fresheners that just mask odors for 5 minutes. Seriously, look at this. If you drop a handful of cloves into a pot, you are about to create a double-duty home spray that will literally have your guests asking if you hired a professional cleaning service. Let me show you how to make it. Grab a small pan and throw in a generous handful of whole cloves. Don't worry about counting them. Just get a nice layer at the bottom. Cloves are absolute powerhouses when it comes to essential oils. Now add 1 cup of water. We're going to put this on medium heat and bring it up to a boil to unlock all that spicy, warm, aromatic goodness. As this starts to simmer, your kitchen is instantly going to smell like a cozy autumn morning. Let it bubble away for about 5 minutes. You'll notice the water turning a rich amber color. That's exactly what we want. Once the time is up, cut the heat and let it cool down for a bit so we don't melt our spray bottle. Now that it's cool, strain out the cloves. Look at that concentrated liquid. That is pure fragrance right there. Grab a funnel and pour that clove water straight into a clean spray bottle. This is our base, but we are about to supercharge it, so the scent actually sticks around for days. Next up, add 1 capful of your favorite fabric softener. Go for a scent you absolutely love because this is going to linger. Then pour in 1 full cup of white vinegar to blast away any stubborn odors. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Why dish soap? Because it acts as a binder. It helps the mixture actually stick to fabrics and surfaces instead of just disappearing into thin air. Give it a really aggressive shake until it's completely blended. Now you have a high-powered DIY deodorizer and bug repellent. Spray it right into your toilet bowl to completely refresh the bathroom. Mist it onto your living room curtains, your couch, or even inside your gym bag or closets. It smells incredible. And here's the best bonus feature. Bugs hate cloves. This naturally keeps flies, mosquitoes, and roaches far away from your space. It's cheap, it's non-toxic, and it actually works. Hit that follow button for more easy home hacks. And let me know in the comments if you're trying this today. Oh, and one final pro tip. If you have pets, spray this around your trash cans or entryway rugs. The cloves completely neutralize pet odors, and fleas absolutely hate the scent. It's a total game changer for a fresh house. Drop a comment and tell me which room you're spraying first, and I'll see you in the next hack. The best part? You just made a massive bottle of premium room freshener and pest defense for literally pennies compared to those pricey store brands. It's cheap, it's non-toxic, and it actually works. Go ahead and smash that follow button for more money-saving home hacks, and let me know if you're trying this today. Just take a look at that. A clean, bug-free home that smells like a luxury boutique hotel. Your space is officially ready for guests, or just a relaxing night in. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and save this video so you don't lose the recipe. And happy cleaning!